piece of equipment shreds and tears the trash up and compacts it, but just because of its sheer weight, and the design of the wheels really pins it to the ground really good and breaks everything up. They're made of 1/2-inch steel. Each tire on it weighs 8,000 pounds. Should increase the airspace that we have available by at least a third. Just from what we're seeing, we think it may be a little better than that.
And what that means, the compaction rate is like 50% more. I can't believe that we didn't have it all along.
The speed at which it can compact the C&D has been the most impressive feature to me. It can do the job in 20 or 30 minutes that would take the bulldozer 3 or 4 hours to do. Hopefully it will extend the life of the landfill. It also helps with the wind-blown trash. It really pins the trash to the ground. It reduces that, and we have some serious winds up there on that hill.
The impressive piece of machinery I ever had. But I would have never thought such a big piece of equipment would be so safe.